the tendency to commit mistakes. So there is a widely incorrect accounts even in science. Even in science, there are so many mistakes, and every new scientist keeps disproving the previous theory, and then he establishes his own theory. So earlier scientists, they thought brain does only one thing, that is the cooling of the blood and nothing else. And they also thought and made a statement, they have written in books, that pituitary gland is just a waste. It doesn't work. There is no much use of pituitary gland. But later the scientists have come and disproved this theory and established a new theory. And in science we see there is one particular constant which we use in the theories. So that is called Hubble constant. But scientists have 3 times changed the Hubble constant. Now it no more becomes a constant, it becomes a Hubble variable. That is the point. Now there is a tendency to commit mistake, and when we commit mistake, what we do? We want to patch it up. So then there is a cheating propensity. And what is a cheating propensity? That people, they started saying that man came from monkey. So now we will discuss about the 4th point, that is cheating propensity. So we have a tendency to commit mistake, and to cover it up, there is a tendency to cheat. Now all of us, we are aware that there is one big philosophy or concept which we studied even in school, and even right now many schools curriculum actually teach this. And what it is? Man came from monkey. How many of you believe this? So the point here is, once upon a time there were only monkeys or apes, and these apes slowly became humans. Interesting thing to hear, but is it logical? Now my simple question, let us accept this theory and try to explore little more. Yes, there were apes before, and now they have become human beings. Nice. But the point here is, there is always a transition. What are the transition? For conservative way, let me take 3 stages. There were apes, there were man. In between there was ape man, because apes were slowly transiting from ape to man, right? So there is ape man, and there is man. These are the 3 stages. So now, even now we see there are apes and we see there are humans. And where is the intermediate stage of ape man? Where do we see that? If this is the logical truth, and if people accept this theory, then we have to show the intermediate link between ape and man, that is ape man. So we don't see any ape man now. So that means that scientists have they have used the skull of apes and skull of man, and they club together and they say there were existence of ape men before. This is how apes became man. And finally they call it as connecting link. So finally the scientists, archaeologists, they have found it is wrong. It was just a made up link.